Let me tell you about Nana, an Igbo priestess of the land that is currently called Nigeria. So powerful, spirits from other realms feared her. Legend says a dark spirit came through a portal in the sacred forest, bringing sickness and chaos to the village. Nana didn't flinch. She called on the ancestors, drew powerful Nsabidi symbols, and set the evil spirit's path on fire with sacred herbs. That useless evil spirit tried to whisper lies, twist her mind, and turned loved ones against her. But Nana stood firm. Her chants shook the earth, and the spirit was banished back to the void it came from. The village still honors her shrine today, where the veil between worlds was almost torn. Protect your spirit, protect your people. That's the African way. Follow for more African legends.